vault that you did, you're officially the greatest, highest vaulter in the world right now. How did you feel about that when you saw the score?
After first vote, hindi ko po talaga tinignan yung screen agad. I know mataas yung score ko, pero may isa pa po kasi akong vault eh. So, kahit yung replays, di ko na napanood kasi sobrang naka-focus po ako. And I think, maganda naman po yung nagawa ko today. And para sa akin, di rin ako makapaniwala na na-stick ko siya. Na-feel ko na mas motivated ako sa nangyari kahapon. Although I'm not disappointed at all po, I'm really grateful and I'm really grateful to God that lahat kami nakapag-perform well and lahat nagawa namin yung kung ano yung gusto namin gawin sa performance namin. It's just mababa lang po talaga yung difficulty ko and kinapos talaga sa execution and that's alright. It's competition. Nangyayari po talaga siya. Sa akin, na-appreciate ko lahat, every moment na nandito ako and doon pa lang, panalo na po sa journey na to. Personally, 2 event lang yung nasalihan ko this time but I'm really happy po and grateful na nakapasok po ako both sa floor and vault and doon pa lang like super happy na po ako and grateful.
Nag-sink in na ba sa'yo na history, you're in history na yun na, pinakamataas na ngayon ang mga voter?
Grabe po, grabe. Parang kahapon lang, nagbibiruan lang po kami na paano pag naka-15 ako, yung mga ganang biruan po. Parang ako pa lang siguro mga 15 kapag nakapag-15 ako and it really did happen and I think like manifestation also works and also like it's all God, like really siya talaga yon. Yung nakita nyo kanina, instrumento lang po ako na ginamit ni Lord para makamit yung ganong performance. Para sa akin, sobrang perfect na po.
Same message, same words from Coach Nadal kanina when we talked to him. Pero kinabahan ka ba nung si Armenia na yung nag-perform?
No naman po. Actually, I was really enjoying them, like watching them.
So hindi ka upset?
No, they're really good vaulters po. Like, as you can see, you cannot deny it na ganun yung performance nila. Like, mga veterano po talaga and makikita mong pinaghirapan po talaga nila yung performance na yun. So, like, well-deserved po sa lahat po.
From the media stand where I was standing kanina, nakita ko, nung lumabas na yung result ni Armenia, you actually rejoiced then.
Yes po.
That was a big relief.
Yes po. Kasi siya po yung number 1 na kalaban ko eh. I mean, competitive. Yung malapit po sa score ko. So, yeah, it was really a good fight po today.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You deserve it.
Salamat.